Guest Pay is a feature that allows you to pay someone else's Metro by T-Mobile bill. It's designed for prepaid accounts where users pay in advance for service. Anyone can use it to contribute to or fully pay another person's bill without needing access to their account. The payer doesn't need to be a Metro customer. Guest Pay is available on the Metro by T-Mobile website and app. As of 2025, security measures include optional two-factor authentication for payments over $50. Digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay are now supported. There is a processing fee of $2.99 for card payments, but can be avoided for bank transfers. To use Guest Pay for Metro by T-Mobile, start by visiting metropcs.com or opening the Metro by T-Mobile app. Once on the site or in the app, select the Guest Pay option, typically found under Pay Bill or in the menu. Next, enter the recipient's 10-digit Metro phone number in the provided field. Then, choose your payment amount between $5 and $500 and select a payment method like credit card, bank account, or digital wallet. Review all details carefully, including any fees, then confirm the transaction. You'll receive a confirmation, and the recipient will get a notification. The entire process typically takes just 5 to 10 minutes.